Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to sort shipping by customer's street address in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the street address condition. So first, we'll search for street address in the search bar and select it. Click Select Essential 1 combination to continue. Here, I want to sort the shipping methods based on the street address of the customer John Doe from the previous order. Now, you only need to copy the address from the customer's previous shipping address. Do not copy the full address. I will not copy the full address. I will only copy address 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South. Now I will use the address 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South and add it to the rule. Next, we choose If Found and enter the address 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Now, set a name for the rule. By default, Hide is selected here. Since we are sorting it, we'll uncheck Hide and select Sort. Remember, to sort shipping methods, you need to add all shipping methods from your store first, then assign numbers according to the order in which you want them to appear. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method to sort and set Express Shipping as number 1, Free Shipping as number 2, Ground Advantage as number 3, and Priority Mail as number 4 in this order. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express and set the number to add it in the rule. Now, if a customer places an order from the street address 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South, the shipping methods will be sorted exactly in the order we have configured. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, shipping methods are not sorted because the order's street address is not 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South. Now, change the street address and set it to 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South and check it. As you can see, the shipping methods are now sorted exactly as configured. That's it. This is how to sort shipping by customer's street address. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!